Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko, and today I want to talk about some possible ways you, as a mental health professional, can offer deals to entice new clients to use your services. So sit back and relax, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be triggering for some of you. Let's talk about the top 5 ways you can use promotions for your mental health practice here today on The Sauce, brought to you by PosiRank.com. Hey, I know you aren't just any old service. You're a mental health professional, and as such, it may seem demeaning to do promotions or package deals to get clients. And it may not be what you need in your area, but if you are wanting ideas or new in your practice, then these 5 ideas may help you get started and be a solid start to your core clientele. So without further ado, here are my top 5 ways you can use promotions for your practice. First off, free initial consultation. I know the first session and probably several after are just basically onboarding sessions. So one free session doesn't do much, but it does get them in the door. And since feeling comfortable with your therapist is a huge part of the process, getting that initial meet and greet out of the way could be helpful. Think of it like speed dating. Do a whole bunch quickly, one after another, so you can get all of it out of the way. This is a good promotion you can have advertised on your website, social media, or other marketing channels to attract new clients. Number 2, discount package deals. I know offering discounts feels like you are a Groupon therapist, and I get that, but that's not what I'm suggesting here. No one needs to offer services that cheap, okay? Honestly, I don't know how anybody makes money with Groupon. By offering discounted package deals, you can encourage clients to commit to multiple sessions up front rather than just seeing the price per session initially. For example, you could offer discounts for clients who purchase packages of 5 or 10 therapy sessions. This way, they are encouraged to continue even after the 10th session to continue to get the price break. Number 3, referral rewards. This one I think you'll like because it can be done at full price or along the package deals. By offering referral rewards, you can incentivize current clients to refer their friends and family to your practice. For example, you can offer a discount on future sessions or gift cards to clients who refer a new client to your practice, thereby keeping them in your roster and increasing your client base without having to really do any advertising. Number 4, seasonal promotions. Seasonal promotions, just like seasonal depression, is a thing. So why not make it work for you? And I know that sounds really morbid and crass, but offering seasonal promotions such as discounts or special packages during the holidays or other special occasions can attract new clients and encourage current clients to continue their therapy through the difficult times. Now, I'm not saying send them a card that says, "Still buying yourself a Christmas gift? Give the one that gives back therapy." Although that is spot on, I don't think it's going to come off as a promotion, but it is pretty funny. Number 5, sliding scale fees. As a former broke college student, I know this all too well, and it kept me in therapy during the times I needed it most and after when I didn't have insurance. You're my girl, Sheila. I'll miss you. Offering sliding scale fees can make therapy more accessible for clients who may not be able to afford full price sessions. You can offer discounted rates for clients who meet certain income thresholds or have other financial constraints. Look at it like filling the tub. Each ounce of water will fill the tub more. Some people can put a gallon in at a time, while others can only put in a cup. Either way, your tub will be full, just some are able to contribute more than others. Overall, promotions can be a valuable marketing tool for therapists. By offering free consultations, discounted package deals, referral rewards, seasonal promotion, and sliding scale fees, you can attract new clients, retain existing ones, and provide more affordable access to therapy for those who need it. And if you want help keeping your sanity, then head on over to PosiRank.com and see how our staff of experts can help you increase your rankings in search engines with our SEO management. Let us take the burden of content and SEO management off of your hands so you can spend more time with your clients. Till next time, my name is Kiko. Have a great day.